a bunch of experts coming together. And each expert is bringing in their piece of expertise. So let's look at what happened in Japan when there was a nuclear breakdown. So first of all, the only data that you could get was data coming from the web or from the sky. You had a room full of experts. You had someone trying to figure out what's happening with the reactor. What does the robot see? What is the president of Japan, the prime minister of Japan saying? What's CNN saying? What's the weather forecast? Because all of those decisions, all of that information has to come together in order for you to make the right decision. I don't know where to evacuate unless I know what the weather is, right? Otherwise, I may be evacuating people into the wind that is bringing the radiation at them. I don't know whether to use this evacuation route unless I know which bridges are down. And so you have a bunch of individuals, each kind of their core domain experts, a meteorologist, a politician, a communications expert, a radiation expert, meteorological experts, all coming together, trying to solve pieces of information, most of it unstructured, and then having to make a decision. So they come together to view the data, but then normally what happens is what we saw with Apollo 11, for example. That each team then gets broken out into their kind of specialized groups and go solve their piece of the problem. Okay, I'll figure out where the wind is coming from. Okay, I'll figure out alternative evacuation routes. When you have that figured out, come back here, because then the prime minister will prioritize which cities go first. So people tend to go off and work in specialized groups and then come together. So we wanted to replicate an environment where multiple experts could come together, see the entire situation, and then be able to take any of that information off the wall onto their device and go solve the problem. And increasingly what we've seen in a tablet world, in a mobile world, that some of the best information is actually what I have on my tablet today.